Sounds in French. Hello friends, bonjour. Welcome to my channel all about life and French core. Today we will learn sounds in French. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. On commence maintenant. Today we will learn IN sounds. How you will pronounce IN? How you will pronounce it? Examples: vin, vin. You have noticed that first and the second are pronounced as same because consonants in French at the end are almost silent. Next is matin, magasin, malin, lapin, fin. Let's repeat now. Vin, vin, matin, magasin, malin, lapin, fin. Now you must try them. Yes, you can do it. Very good. Yes. Très bien. Next is I am sound. This is also pronounced as when it's at the end of the word, but in between M will be pronounced. Examples: timbre, simple, impatient, important, imparfait, imprimer, impression. Let's repeat them. Timbre, simple, impatient, important, imparfait, imprimer, impression. Can you try now? Yes, you can do it. Very good. Très bien. Oui, c'est bien. Très bien. Bon. Oui. Okay, well done. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for learning French with me. Today's keyword is bonne année, which means Happy New Year. Bonne année. The double E is pronounced as A over here. Clear your doubts in the comment box. Check the description box for French apps, games, and many more. Press the bell icon for my latest videos. Au revoir. Merci. À bientôt.